A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. 5 months after the date of the balance sheet, B expires. That means, students, it is very clear that B has worked in this business for 5 months during the current accounting period. As per the partnership deed, the share of the deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of previous year's profits, which is given to be 2,40,000. So now, students, in this case, the share of the deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of the profits of the previous year, which are given to be 2,40,000. Now, first of all, we'll convert and try and calculate the profits for 5-month period, that is the period for which the deceased partner has worked in the business. So, profits till the date of death. They are equal to 2,40,000. Remember, this is for 12 months, and for 5 months that he has worked, 20,000 into 5, this is rupees 1 lakh. So now, students, that means by the time C has worked in the business, that is for 5 months, the firm had earned a profit of rupees 1 lakh. Out of this, B's share would be 1 lakh into B's proportion out of the profits, that is 3/10. So this is equal to rupees 30,000. So students, B has earned a profit of rupees 30,000. So this would now be transferred to his capital account, and the journal entry for the transfer of profits would be profit and loss suspense account debited to B's capital account. Again, since it is journal entry in the format of journal, with narration, and the amount that we had calculated was 60,000, 30,000. Narration, we will write it as being the share of profits of the deceased partner transferred to his capital account. That is, being share of profits till date of death provided. Now students, remember, why this P&L suspense account? Students, since we have not prepared actual profit and loss account. Had we prepared actual profit and loss account, the entry would have been profit and loss to B's capital on the basis of actual profits. But in this case, profit and loss account has not been prepared, and we have calculated this share on the basis of the profits of previous year. So P&L suspense account, and at the end of this year, this account would be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. For that, entry would be profit and loss to P&L suspense account.